A is for apple, round and red. B is for ball, on the grass we spread. C is for cat, soft and sweet. D is for dog, with 4 little feet. E is for egg, in a little nest. F is for fish, swimming with the best. G is for goat, climbing up the hill. H is for hat, sitting very still. I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for jam, a tasty slice. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for lion, hear his loud cry. M is for moon, shining in the night. N is for nest, hidden from the light. O is for orange, juicy and gold. P is for kid, brave and bold.